Hi there guys, in this video I will show you how to create Telegram public channel. Firstly guys, get back into your Telegram home site and then you should go on your right side down on the pinned solution. Click on it and you can see you have three options right there. You need just to select the third one that says new channel. Click on it. Now you need to type the channel name. For example this one. You can add a description. Now go on the tick on your right upper side, and then here, as you can see, here is the main point on this video. Here you have two options. You're gonna go on private channel or on the public channel. Now in this video we're showing up you how to make this create and making the Telegram channel on public. Go on the first selection and then go on the tick on your right upper side. Now you need to choose the link before you get the channel, and the link you need to add, for example, it might has 5 characters, for example this one. And now as you can see, just type on the tick on your right upper side and the channel has been created. Thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon.